15 Health benefits of Mayana plant. Health benefits of Mayana plant may be still unknown. Mayana plant is a plant that has a lot of health benefits, due to the essential oils and antioxidants in it. Beauty color make this plant is often used as an ornamental flower. Mayana leaves including medicinal plants that can handle various kinds of ailments such as ulcers, to serious illnesses such as diabetes and hemorrhoids. Mayana plant habitat is in the rice fields or along the riverbank. The scientific name for the plant Mayana is Scutellarioides or Coleocytripurpureus, belonging to the family Labiatae. Mayana plants usually thrive on the plateau, about 1,500 meters above sea level. Leaf shape like a heart with beautiful curves at the edges. Mayana leaves are brightly colored and have color variations according to the variety. Mayana flower stalk protruding from the tip of its trunk. The height of the tree slobber can reach 30 to 150 cm, with plant stems are easily broken. This plant with creeping stems has a square-shaped container. Nutrition facts in Mayana plant. Some chemical content found in plants Mayana such as tannin, pectic substances, phytosterols and calcium oxalate. Mayana plant is also equipped with essential oils such as eugenol, which is anti-pain, karvakrol, which has antibiotic properties, and ethyl salicylate, which is an anti-irritant. Mayana plant also contains fat and mucus. Health benefits of Mayana plants. Mayana rich in nutrients. With the rich content of nutrients found in plants Mayana, then this plant has many benefits. The following benefits. Helps to treat hemorrhoids. Talking about the benefits of Mayana plant, the first is that it can help treat hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids is a kind of health problems that often arise because the conditions are not realized. Usually because of the lack of attention to health, especially the health of the digestive, then hemorrhoids appear. However, just relax and do not worry. Mayana plant has an excellent benefits to help heal hemorrhoids symptoms you are experiencing. And how to use the Mayana plant to treat hemorrhoids. The following are some simple steps to process leaf Mayana. Prepare about 20 Mayana leaves and also 1 turmeric. Then wipe, and then boil these materials by using 5 cups of water. Boil until boiling and then cool the water after boiling. Enough to drink 1 glass of potion each day, then this will help cure your hemorrhoids naturally. Helps treat boils. The next benefits of Mayana plants is it can help heal ulcers, and also reduces the symptoms of boils. To treat ulcers, you do not have to bother to make a potion like when you treat hemorrhoids, but you need to do, here's how, simply by heating the Mayana leaves on the fire, but do not burn. Afterwards paste Mayana leaves on the body that experienced ulcers, compress up to several minutes. Do this until you have healed ulcers and also drying. Helps to heal and lowers fever heat. You have fever disease and it feels too hot. Then try the benefits of plants Mayana. Well, Mayana plants and also have the benefit of very good properties to help relieve and cure fever. The trick is very easy. Here are some ways to process plant Mayana to reduce the heat and fever. Take the stems and leaves also Mayana. Boil stems and leaves Mayana. 3 cups water. Boil until boiling and the remaining 2 cups water. Drink half a glass of the herb to help cure fever and also lower your heat. Curing and relieve symptoms of cough. The next benefits of the Mayana plant is it can use to help cure and relieve symptoms of cough. Mayana plant has an extremely good properties to help remove phlegm attached to the throat, so it is very effective to help relieve cough symptoms double experienced. How utilization is very easy, you just need to boiling the Mayana leaves, such as when you make a potion Mayana leaves to relieve fever. And then you can drink a decoction of the Mayana leaves regularly until your cough is completely cured. So you do not have to buy medicine or go to the doctor when you have a cough. Good when menstruation. Next benefits of Mayana plants is to help overcome the disorder at the time of menstruation. One problem that occurs when it is at menstrual cycle is irregular appearance. When menstruation usually occurs approximately 1 month, but sometimes appear disruption in the cycle, which may appear 2 times in a month, or appear 2 to 3 months. To help improve the cycle, in addition to the doctor that is reliable, then you can just try a solution of a decoction of the Mayana leaves. How to use it is by take the Mayana leaves, then boiled and drink. Treating diabetes. Other benefits of Mayana plants to help treat diabetes. Yes, for those of you who may has diabetes, then the Mayana plants, particularly its leaf, will be very useful for you. How to process is very easy and simple. You only need boiling the stems, leaves and flowers of the Mayana plant. After that, you simply drink the decoction on a regular basis to help lower your blood sugar levels. Stomach pain and heartburn drugs. In addition to treating hemorrhoids, Mayana plants has other benefits or as heartburn medication and abdominal pain. Well, for those of you who feel abdominal pain, mainly because there is irritation or bacteria that is in your stomach, then Mayana leaves very good to help cure stomach pain that you experience. As the red eye drug. Red eye irritation can occur, but you can heal it using Mayana plants. The easiest way you can do is by attaching an alias to compress your eyes by using Mayana leaves soaked and chopped. Thus, it will help heal the red eye that you experienced. As a cough and cold medicines. Low body resistance will be vulnerable to disease, such as flu and cough. Moreover, the changeable weather in the rainy season. Behind the bitter taste, Mayana plant effective to relieve cough suffered by a person for a few days. Mayana plant is able to dilute phlegm in the throat and lungs, so as to relieve influenza and sore throat. The trick is, Mayana leaves mashed and squeezed to get the juice. Add 1 tablespoon honey and egg yolks, stir well. Drinking water regularly for 5 days. Treating ulcerative lesions. To heal the wounds that do not healed for a long time, use of natural materials. One of which is a Mayana plant. How to use it is by squeeze or mashed leaves Mayana until blended, apply to wounds incurred ulcers. Replace this concoction 3 times a day. To clean the blood on the last day of menstruation. Besides being able to facilitate the circulation and the menstrual cycle, plants can also purify the blood Mayana passed when menstruation. How to use it is by 3. Wash the leaves Mayana, a hand turmeric washed, peeled, crushed all while salt. Give 3 tablespoons water, wring the cloth. Fluids were given a teaspoon of lime juice. Inflammation ear drops drug. The next benefit of the Mayana plant is to treat ear problems. Mayana plant, particularly its leaf, can be used as medicine ear inflammation. How to use it is by Mayana leaves fresh 15 sheets washed and finely milled, add 3 tablespoons of boiled water. Stir until evenly distributed and then squeezed and filtered through a cloth. Water distillation is used for ear drops or sick. Doing 4 to 6 times a day, each time 2 to 3 drops. Drug whitish. Mayana plant is very beneficial for women vital organs, as well as drug whitish. The way is, Mayana leaves fresh 7 to 10 sheets washed and then boiled in 3 cups water until the remaining 1.5 cups. After chilling filtered and drink with honey is needed. 3 times a day 1/2 cup each. Overcoming worms bracelet. You can also use the plant Mayana to cope with roundworms. How to use it is by, take the Mayana leaves 7 pieces, then washed and finely ground. Add 1/2 cup of water and a tablespoon of honey. All filtered and the water is taken 2 to 3 times a day. Enteritis. Last benefits Mayana plant is treating colitis. How to use it is by fresh Mayana leaves 12 strands, 1 red onion bulbs, turmeric 2 grams, Menyan honey 1/2 gram, 110 milliliters water, taken 2 times a day, morning and afternoon. Every time I drink 100 milliliters Mayana as ornamental plants. Besut of it is very beneficial to health. Mayana plants is also very suitable as an ornamental plant. The color of the Mayana leaves is one of the main attraction of the Mayana leaves for the lovers of ornamental plants. Its leaves have a dark red color as one manifestation of the beauty of this plant, which is often utilized as ornamental plants. Mayana leaves add to the long list of types of plants that have health benefits for humans. The benefits of ornamental plants themselves become an attraction for everyone. Ornamental plants are very useful to beautify the look of the house, room or other buildings as the greening of the mini version somewhere. Well, that's 15 benefits of Mayana plant for treatment. Now, you can add a collection of ornamental plants that are rich in health benefits. Besides adding beauty of the landscape, numerous health benefits can be obtained with ease. Disclaimer: herbs can help with various ailments, but many of these are not yet adequately studied and are not yet certain. This channel cannot guarantee that they are effective because the effect of herbal medicines may work in some, but in others it may not work at all. As with other medicines, it is important to consult your doctor about taking herbal medicines.